The Space Maintenance Calculator is an online, interactive, algorithm-based tool for managing premature loss of primary teeth. Whether a tooth is lost due to caries, trauma, or ectopic eruption, the Space Maintenance Calculator can guide you through management. The calculator is based on clinical experience in pediatric dentistry and orthodontics combined with a thorough review of the literature. Members gain access to the calculator, which has been designed to guide treatment for premature loss of primary incisors, canines, and molars. Managing premature tooth loss can be challenging. Many factors must be considered when making decisions. For each primary molar, the calculator mathematically determines the risk of space loss based on what you see both clinically and radiographically. If the risk of space loss is high, you then select the most appropriate appliance for your patient based upon factors such as arch of tooth loss, dental age, and abutment teeth available. As a member, you'll also have access to additional features, including a review of space maintainers summarizing advantages, disadvantages, and common causes of failure. Dr. Jeff has also shared many clinical pearls and tips for patient management he's picked up over the years. The Space Maintenance Calculator can be accessed on your computer or mobile device to ensure you're always ready to make well-informed decisions you can be confident in. Visit orthocalculator.org to get started today.